Guys, welcome to 642 Garage. So I realized I didn't really give you guys a description of the RSX. So it's just a stock K20. Cold air intake on it. It's pretty much the only modification that it has, engine wise, I guess. The owner before, his brother, put the body kit on it and put PVC piping in the headlights, as you can see, and put carbon fiber wrap on it. So it looks beastie. I had to get new lug nuts for it because when I took them to his shop to get the tires replaced, they fucking snapped. One lug nut on all 4 rims, which is heinous, so I just ordered new ones. Today we're going to be doing sub-wiring, new head intake, degreaser to clean the valve cover, because we're going to paint the valve cover blue. I got paint for that inside the shop. We got some rim cleaner here. We got some pads and shit. We also got a valve cover gasket. And we also got a fresh set of tools, amp, jacks, all that shit. The exhaust is leaking as well, so we're gonna have to fix the exhaust leak. Sounds like a lawnmower. So we got the valve cover off, painting the air intake. It was all rotted out or corroded, whatever. And the new intake to match the color, of course. Rims are getting clean. So much better. So much better. The RSX is getting cleaned up and looking good. Carrying a camera, working on the Golf GTI.
Not GTI.
Oh, not GTA. No?
No,
oh. I know. Pardon me. What are you guys doing again to it?
Timing belt, water pump, glow plugs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basic engine shit. Got the oil taken out. Gotta put new oil in once the valve cover and everything's back on. You can see why this thing sounds like a lawnmower. All the gaskets need to be replaced. They're just haggard and old. I'm thinking of getting a new exhaust anyway, so that shouldn't be a huge problem. Well, it's not a huge problem right now. And we found out that the mount for the sway bar is completely fucked. It's just gone. So we need a new one of those and bushing and shit. Got the valve cover painted. Intake piece painted. New intake. Ready to go. Just waiting for it to dry. Got the valve cover on. Got the new valve cover gasket in. New head on the air intake. Painted the chrome for the pipe. It's looking a lot better. I like it. Kieran washed the rims. Shout out to him for that. Gonna head to the car wash soon to get the whole car clean. Looking nice. Got the fucking valve cover done. Got everything done. New intake. Got it washed. It's looking awesome. Looking so sleek. Future projects are going to be the bushing for the sway bar underneath and to fix the exhaust leaks for sure. And then in the very far future is going to be the rebuild and turbo kit and all that shit, and you guys are going to see that. It's going to be awesome. So that's the end of this video. There'll be more videos on the GTI embedding. That should be done in a few days or so. So, like and subscribe.